Hello, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me today. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. We're going to jump right into it today because we have one oil that I wanted to bring back to your memory bank so you'll know that you have an amazing oil that can suit your skin and make it look beautiful. We're talking about jojoba oil. Jojoba oil closely mimics the skin's own sebum, making it an effective natural conditioner. The vitamin E and B complex vitamin in jojoba oil help in skin repair and damage control. Jojoba oil can help improve your skin hydration and skin elasticity after only 4 weeks. Jojoba oil keeps your face and body moisturized and reduces blemishes, acne, pimples, scars, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, chapped skin, and fine lines without leaving your skin dry. Jojoba oil is the perfect anti-aging base oil to combine with the essential oils to create your own DIY anti-aging serum. What's great about jojoba oil, it can help moisturize and soften the skin without any greasy feeling. All in all, jojoba oil is comprised of over 75% eicosanoic acid, a long omega-9 fatty acid that cannot be digested by humans, but most closely resembles human sebum. Again, jojoba oil is famous for being the carrier oil that is closest to mimicking the natural oil secretions of the human skin. This makes it an excellent moisturizer for using on areas like the face and neck that may otherwise look oily with other carrier oils. Jojoba oil is extracted from the seeds of the jojoba tree and has a light, nutty aroma. Jojoba oil is a natural antifungal and works well when combined with essential oils that also have antifungal properties and are used for topical fungal infection. With the longest chain of essential fatty acid than any other carrier oil, its ability to resist oxidation. It has the ability to resist oxidation. Jojoba oil holds a long shelf life. Its high rate of absorption make it one of the top carrier oils on the list of many. How I love to use jojoba oil is number 1, as a natural makeup remover. You can stop using chemical-filled makeup removers. Jojoba oil removes makeup naturally from the face and eye area and actually nourishes the skin at the same time. Simply soak a cotton ball with the oil and use it to remove makeup, dirt, and grime. Use it for your cracked feet and hands. That's how I use it. Soak your hands and feet in warm water for 10 minutes. Add your favorite essential oil to enhance relaxation and invigorate. Dry with a towel and massage on some jojoba oil. And number 3, you can also use it to protect from sunburn. Does your skin get red from the exposure to the sun? This means your skin is getting damaged from UV ray exposure. Reduce inflammation by applying jojoba oil to the affected areas. Jojoba oil is an essential oil that reduces the amount of excess sebum through absorbing. And excess sebum is what clogs the pores and creates blackheads. Jojoba oil will help your skin balance that out. And listen, though it is called jojoba oil, it is actually a liquid wax. The structure of jojoba oil, again, matches the natural oils from the skin, thus dives into the deep layers. That is why jojoba oil is one of the best anti-wrinkle home remedies. It helps you stop signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. And lastly, the high vitamin E from jojoba oil works against the free radicals and prevents them from causing damage. Try using jojoba oil. Just put a few drops, 2 to 3 drops, on your fingertips and massage your forehead in an upward motion for 3 to 4 minutes. Relax for 20 minutes and then remove the oil with water. And then if you choose, you can leave it on or wipe it off or remove it with lukewarm water. Y'all, jojoba oil is so amazing. Read more about it yourself and study on it to see if it's right for your skin. I'm Sweet Angel, sharing some goodness with you today. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. Please stay in the know by subscribing and turning on your bell notification. If you found this video informative and helpful, please drop a like on it and share some hearts in the comments. I'll see you on the next video. Take care until then. Bye now.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Before you try being on your own side for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once. But sometimes you fall. 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 Sometimes you fall.